Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically generate bilingual languages on CapCut PC for the captions. So I'm just going to add this video here which has a voiceover. So go to text, go to Auto-Captions, select your source language. My one is in English, and then select the translated language, for instance Spanish. And then you're going to select create. It does take a few minutes depending on like how long your video is. Mine is only like a minute and like 30 seconds ish, so it won't take super long, as you can see. So if I just zoomed in a little bit here, you can see there's two auto captions, and you can adjust the size of each like language caption, I guess. So for instance, the one in Spanish, you want it to be smaller than the one in English, maybe. You can do that, and it will be applied to the others, and like also the position as well. For instance, like the background, and you want to add some colors to the translated version. You can also edit the captions as well here. There's the one in English and there's the one in Spanish. I do not really know if this is correct, so maybe let's just see it in Indonesian. Clear current captions and create. And you can like edit the ones that are like grammatically incorrect, so like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!